Imagine pocketing an extra $300 every month without changing a single habit. No endless spreadsheets, no skipped lattes. It's not magic, it's an AI tool that automates your savings. Let's dive in to see how it works. Hey everyone, I'm Alex from Niche Wealth. We all know the cycle. Start the month with grand savings plans, and then unexpected expenses or impulse buys wipe out our well-laid strategies. I've been there, meticulously planning and still watching my budget slip away. The truth is, saving shouldn't demand constant self-discipline. It should work seamlessly in the background. Budgeting isn't about having endless willpower. It's about designing a system that supports your lifestyle. Then I stumbled upon this revolutionary AI tool. Imagine having a round-the-clock personal finance assistant that never sleeps, never judges, and actively learns your spending habits. Whether you've heard of similar tools under names like Rocket Money, Clio, Digit, or other smart integrations, the core idea is simple. Let the technology take over the tedious task of budgeting while you focus on living your life. This isn't about strict budgeting rules. It's about intelligent optimization. Let me break down how this tool turns complexity into simplicity in just 3 steps. Secure account connection. You link your bank and credit accounts securely. The tool uses encryption to fetch your transactions in real time. The AI instantly categorizes your spending. Smart categorization and insights. It automatically sorts your spendings, everything from groceries and dining to subscriptions and impulse buys, so you can see exactly where every dollar goes. It even flags those hidden recurring expenses and identifies where money quietly leaks out. Automated saving. Based on your spending patterns and set financial goals, the system transfers small, unnoticeable amounts into a savings account. Over time, these micro-transfers add up, effortlessly returning over $300 to your balance each month. Some tools even negotiate your bills, cancel unused subscriptions, or warn you before you overspend. It only moves money it knows you won't need, protecting you from overdrafts. In just 30 days of using this tool, I managed to save $317.42 without changing my lifestyle. There were no painful cuts to my daily routine, just the smart reallocation of funds from overlooked expenses. What used to be a frustrating battle with my budget has transformed into a set-and-forget system that builds my savings every month, letting me reinvest in my future. Check out this breakdown. Subscriptions. Saved roughly $100 monthly by canceling or downgrading services. Utilities and bills slashed by about $75 monthly through negotiated deals. Miscellaneous optimizations added up to nearly $125 monthly through small tweaks. As you can see, the power of micro-optimizations really adds up. This tool isn't just a budgeting app, it's like having a financial advisor working around the clock, only it's powered by AI. What does this mean for you? It's simple. Budgeting isn't about having endless willpower. It's about designing a system that supports your lifestyle. Whether you're juggling a demanding job, studying, or just tired of manually tracking every expense, this AI tool adapts to you. It works quietly behind the scenes so you don't have to stress about the details, leaving you more time and energy to focus on what matters most. You overcome the biggest hurdle in personal finance, human behavioral biases, and achieve your goals with ease. Now, while these tools are incredible, they're not a magic bullet. Here are a few important considerations to maximize their effectiveness. Connect all your accounts. For the AI to truly understand your financial picture, link all your relevant checking, savings, and even credit card accounts. The more data, the smarter the AI. Review regularly. While it's no willpower needed for saving, it's still smart to check in weekly or bi-weekly. Understand the insights the AI provides. Don't just set it and completely forget it. It's a tool, not a replacement. This AI augments your financial intelligence. It doesn't replace it. Continue to educate yourself, set broader financial goals, and use the money saved by the AI strategically. Security. Always choose reputable apps with strong encryption and security protocols. Do your research on privacy policies. Used correctly, these AI tools are powerful accelerators for building wealth and achieving financial peace of mind. They eliminate the friction, the mental load, and, most importantly, the willpower dependency that so often derails our financial aspirations. Ready to transform your savings journey? Check out the link in the description below to try this AI tool for yourself. Use it for a week and watch your savings grow. No extra effort required. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the word autosave so I know you're on board with smarter financial solutions. Let's build wealth by working smarter, not harder. Thanks for tuning in to Niche Wealth. See you in the next video.